Hello everyone, welcome to this series on Spring Boot. My name is Chitish Bhattacharya and I'm not here to teach you because to be honest, even I am just getting started on Spring Boot, and the reason I'm making this video is to make records of the things as I learn. And I think uh, as a beginner, for whoever is watching this, if you are a beginner, I think as a beginner myself, we will be able to better connect, and we will face similar problems rather than if you are trying to learn from somebody who's well experienced on this. So that's why I am recording this video. So if you're an experienced developer on Spring Boot, this series of video may not be very interesting to you. So with that, let's get started. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to learn how to build a web application using Spring Boot, and uh, my goal is to develop a goal tracker application. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, let's begin. So right here now I'm on Spring Tool Suite. I'm using Java 8, and now first of all, to create a new project on Spring Tool Suite, we go to File, New, Project, and then under Spring Boot we choose Spring Starter Project. Next. So after that, we are provided with this form for the details about the project. You can also go to this link over here, this website, and it gives a similar form there on a web page from which you can fill all the details and download the zip file, unzip it, and then uh, import it on Spring Tool Suite, and you'll have the same project as we will do over here. So first of all, we give it a name, goal tracker. Now let's give the package Spring examples. Sorry. And for the group, for artifact is the same as the name, version as it is, and for package we will use the same as the group. We're using Maven, Java 8, packaging is jar, and language is Java. So here it is giving an error, and one thing to note here is that we will see a lot of these errors because, as I said, I'm also a newbie over here, and maybe we will better connect it with it. So what does it say? Goal tracker is not empty. Okay, so I already have a project name goal tracker. I'll set a different location then. Okay, and goal tracker. Okay, so last segment should be goal tracker. Location, last segment of the part should be goal tracker. That's why I'm adding goal tracker over here. This will create a folder, and within it will generate all the files. So next, and now here you can see Spring Boot version 2.1.0, and for now I'm not going to use any of these dependencies, just a simple project, and it will download, it will create a zip file using this, and it will generate a project for us. So finish. As import getting started content. After that, we are provided with this Maven folder structure. We have a pom.xml file. Let's see that. So group ID is what we have given, Spring examples, artifact is goal tracker, packaging jar, description, name, and we have the parent is Spring Boot starter parent 2.1.0, Java version 1.8, and the default dependencies are Spring Boot starter and Spring Boot starter test. So nothing much here. We've just generated this pom.xml. It has added default dependencies for us, and our Java class will be under src/main/java gold wrapper application, and we have an annotation Spring Boot application. If you are using Spring, it will, yeah, this is equivalent to adding enable auto configuration, Spring Boot configuration, component scan. You just hover over it and you'll show all of these. So in Spring, I guess I've not worked with Spring though, so if you are working on Spring, then you have to add all three, or as I've read, I just remember, uh, I think in Spring version 1 it was, we have to add all three of these dependencies: Spring Boot configuration, enable auto configuration, and component scan. But from Spring 1.5, I guess they have added this Spring Boot application uh, annotation, which includes all of these. So this is our main class, goal tracker application. We have public static void main spring application.run. So just to print something out on the console, I'm going to do sys control space, and then I'll have sys out, and I'm just going to print here hello spring boot and save it, and giving an eclipse error reporting. Ignore that for now, and all the test and other resources will go under here. Java classes will go under here. We are under package com.spring examples. So that's about it. We are going to now right click on this, run as Spring Boot app. Hello Spring Boot. So our application has successfully started cold wrapper application. It has come here and it has printed out hello Spring Boot on the console. So yeah, that's how you generate a Spring Boot application. This is a very basic application. We have not done anything other than add give the package names, create pom.xml, and then just to verify that it has run, I added this system added this hello Spring Boot message to the console. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.